Hi everyone, let's see how we can create this picture. The picture is created by AI. No one in this picture is real. Because of that, I hope you understand. There is nothing wrong with using that picture. We insert a new slide. In the new slide, we need this picture that I created with Gemini. No, I created with Copilot if I'm not wrong. Then we need this text and the background color we have here. The background color, this is the text, nothing special about that. This is just the text, and I'm going to make it more. And this is a placeholder and nothing more. And we need to format the background. For example, let's go with the color we want, something more energetic, like this color. It's bright and I like it. Now we insert a new slide. In the new slide, we need to insert a circle, a really big one and a really small one. When holding shift, you create a big one, and then come here. In this slide, you need to insert and create a circle that look exactly the size of these heads. For example, here is nice. You see, but the problem is here, it's a little big and this is going to come in the shadows. Nice. Okay, then copy that, bring it here, then press both of them and go to shape format and make them combine. Then easily set them to no outline, make it black, and set the transparency to low. Then bring it to the up and the transparency to the things you want. Then you just simply bring this text to the up and put it on the head you want, for example, Emma. Then copy that and here put the text on the head you want and change the name, for example, to Ted. And then just simply change the background color to something right, something that is going to be bright. For example, this blue is good because the text is going to be lighter, darker. And then set the transparency to morph. Let's take a look. You see, it's pretty nice and it's good for introduction someone. You can add other pictures, other names too. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice